Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus 9. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to scroll down and click on parental controls. Now click on let's do this and then click sign in. Now select Google. And here you have to enter your child email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. And now you can choose your parent. And here you have to enter your parent password. Then click next. And click I agree. Now click next. And click allow. And now you have to scroll all the way down and click next. Then click install and click next. Now click accept and click on let's go. Now you can click cancel and your parental controls should be now set up. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.